Hello everyone, bonjour à tous. Welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 147, numéro 147. Today we are continuing our series on dictations. This practice series is specifically designed to boost your listening and writing skills in French, perfect for beginners. And today's dictation theme is numbers. So, a quick refresher on how this kind of episode works. So for each dictation, you have two levels to choose from, level 1 and level 2. I'll read the same text for both levels. Level 1 includes some gaps to fill in, which makes it a little bit easier. And level 2 is a traditional dictation with no gaps. So it's a little bit more of a challenge, but still manageable for beginners. So you will find the link to download the dictation workbook for this episode in the podcast notes. So the workbook not only includes the full transcript in French and its translation in English, but you also have space to write down your answers as you listen. So it's going to work like this. I'll read the dictation text 3 times. Listen carefully the first time to understand the context, and the second time, try to write down what you hear. Then I'll read through the text a third time, very slowly, to help you check your work. All right, are you ready? Grab your dictation workbook, grab your pen, and let's get started. All right, so this is the first read. Just listen for now. Marc va au supermarché pour préparer le dîner de ce soir. Il met dans son caddie des ingrédients pour une ratatouille. 2 aubergines, 3 petites courgettes, 4 poivrons rouges, 2 oignons, 5 tomates et quelques gousses d'ail. Il ajoute aussi une bouteille d'huile d'olive et un bouquet d'herbes fraîches. À la caisse, 7 personnes font la queue devant lui. Il place ses achats sur le tapis et attend son tour. Le total de ses achats s'élève à 28,50 €. All right, now I'm going to read this text a second time. Write down everything that you hear. Marc va au supermarché pour préparer le dîner de ce soir. Il met dans son caddie des ingrédients pour une ratatouille. 2 aubergines, 3 petites courgettes, 4 poivrons rouges, 2 oignons, 5 tomates et quelques gousses d'ail. Il ajoute aussi une bouteille d'huile d'olive et un bouquet d'herbes fraîches. À la caisse, 7 personnes font la queue devant lui. Il place ses achats sur le tapis et attend son tour. Le total de ses achats s'élève à 28,50 €. Okay, are you ready for the third reading? This is your last chance to check what you've written and fill in any gaps. C'est parti. Marc va au supermarché pour préparer le dîner de ce soir. Il met dans son caddie des ingrédients pour une ratatouille. 2 aubergines, 3 petites courgettes, 4 poivrons rouges, 2 oignons, 5 tomates et quelques gousses d'ail. Il ajoute aussi une bouteille d'huile d'olive et un bouquet d'herbes fraîches. À la caisse, 7 personnes font la queue devant lui. Il place ses achats sur le tapis et attend son tour. Le total de ses achats s'élève à 28,50 €. And that is now the end of today's dictation. Now it is time to check your answers in the dictation workbook. Make sure you download it if you haven't done so yet. The workbook includes the transcript of this dictation, the translation in English, and space for you to write your answers. I hope you enjoyed this episode and you found it helpful. I will chat with you next week. À bientôt. Bye.